Here's where to find archived emails in Gmail when they seem to completely disappear on you. I've noticed most people get confused because Gmail doesn't make this obvious, but there's actually a specific spot that holds everything. You'll want to look in your left sidebar and click More to see the expanded options. From there, click All Mail, and suddenly you're looking at your complete email collection. Everything lives here, including those emails that vanished from your inbox. The trick to spotting archived messages is looking for what's missing rather than what's there. Look, archived emails show up in this view without that little inbox label next to them. No label means it got archived at some point. Now, when you actually need to hunt down something specific, that search bar at the top becomes your best friend. Type whatever you remember about the email, sender name, a few words from the subject, even random keywords from inside the message. Gmail will dig through your entire history, archived stuff included. Getting an archived email back where you can actually see it again is pretty straightforward once you find it. Click the message to open it, then hit that Move to Inbox button up top. Boom, it's back in your regular inbox, acting like it never left.